When repairing TVs, we need to check circuit voltages. If there is 315 volts here, there should be about 120 volts at this end. But if it shows 0 volts, then the resistor needs to be replaced. But what is the value of this resistor? The code on the resistor is 01E. So let's find out its exact value. Check the pinned comment for Ornate Pixels. Here is the Universal SMD Resistors calculator. Type the resistor code here using your mobile phone or PC and you will see the resistor's value right here. So let's type 01E. Look at the result. The resistor's value is 1 mega ohms. This is the level shifter section of LED TV. Now let's see the value of 30x resistor. 30x. Its value is 2 ohms.